Hey folks, have you ever wondered why superpowers, like clairvoyance, telepathy, and mediumship, are often dismissed as nonsense? Let's dive into the hidden truth about superpowers. Back in the day, people had two main objections to superpowers. First, they said these abilities were useless. Can you imagine? Critics pointed out how unreliable spontaneous superpower events were, and how hard it was to tell the real deal from the fakes. Kinda understandable, right? The second objection was that science would make superpowers obsolete. This came from the idea that these abilities might have been useful in our evolution, tied to our so-called reptilian brain. But as we evolved, developing our cortex and neocortex, the homes of reason and logic, we supposedly outgrew these powers. They were seen as old news, surpassed by rational thought. So, why were superpowers dismissed as superstition or irrationality? Simple. They were seen as impractical and outdated. It sounds plausible until you realize that the line between rational thought and nonsense can be surprisingly thin. These objections often came from well-educated, influential figures in science and philosophy. If you're keen to explore more, check out Brian Inglis's books, Natural and Supernatural and Science and Parascience, or James Webb's The Occult Establishment. But wait, there's a third, sneakier factor at play, a conspiracy, if you will. It's absurd to claim that superpowers lack utility. Imagine the value of reliable telepaths or clairvoyance. Sure, there's the signal-to-noise problem, but it's not insurmountable. And thinking science would render superpowers obsolete? That's short-sighted. Look at running. We all have legs, but Olympic athletes train to elevate this basic skill into something extraordinary. Similarly, our latent superpower faculties, Biomind sensors and transducers, could be honed into remarkable abilities, potentially outpacing science itself. Here's the kicker: developing these superpowers might be seen as a threat. A fully realized telepath or intuitive could disrupt the world's power dynamics. The simplest way to stop this: smother these abilities in disrepute and confusion so dense, it takes a superpower to unravel it. So next time someone dismisses superpowers as mere fantasy, remember there's more to the story. Maybe, just maybe, we're only scratching the surface of what's truly possible. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into the hidden truth about superpowers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more intriguing content. Catch you next time.